Yes, good morning everyone. Continuation of the class. Up to now we saw third degree equation, roots are in AP, roots are in GP, roots are in HP. The part is over. Now coming to given question, fourth degree equation, roots are in AP. Fourth degree equation have the four roots. Those four roots are in AP is given. That means common difference of the roots are same. So first you can compare the given equation in the form of ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e equal to 0. A is the quotient of x power 4 1, b is the quotient of x cube minus 2, c is the quotient of x square minus 21, d is the quotient of x 22, e is the constant 40. Now what they given? Roots are in AP is given. So you can take the roots, AP roots you have to take alpha minus 3 beta, comma alpha minus beta, comma alpha plus beta, comma alpha plus 3 beta are the roots. Now you have to find the sum of the roots. Now you have to find the sum of the roots. That means alpha minus 3 beta plus alpha minus beta plus alpha plus beta plus alpha plus 3 beta. Formula is minus b by a. Now 3 beta cancel, beta get cancel. Alpha plus alpha 4 alpha. 4 alpha is minus b by a, minus of minus 2 by 1 2. Then alpha equal to 2 by 4, that equal to 1 by 2. Now this alpha is not a root of the equation. Alpha is not a root of the given equation. So you can find the beta value. Beta value you want to find. Then you can consider sum of the product of two roots you have to consider. Consider sum of the product of two roots. Now S2 equal to minus C by A. S2 equal to C by A. Sum of the product of two roots. One time I recall the sum of the product of two roots logic. See this. To write in the sum of the product of two roots, alpha into beta plus alpha into gamma plus alpha into delta plus beta into gamma plus beta into delta plus gamma into delta. Like total 6 combinations we get. Now here roots are these 4 are the roots. These 4 are the roots. Now you have to write the S2 value. First one into second one. First one into second one means alpha minus 3 beta into alpha minus beta plus first one into third one alpha minus 3 beta into alpha plus beta plus first one into fourth one alpha minus 3 beta into alpha plus 3 beta plus second one into third one alpha minus beta into alpha plus beta plus second one into third one alpha minus beta into alpha plus 3 beta plus third one into fourth one alpha plus beta into alpha plus 3 beta. The value you have C by A. C is a minus 21 by 1. Now coming to that, you have to find the beta value. First two terms. What is the common you have? Alpha minus 3 beta is here. So common alpha minus 3 beta. Remaining alpha minus beta plus alpha plus beta. Plus in the next two terms, a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. 3 beta whole square, 9 beta square. Next two terms also in the form of a minus b into a plus b. That is a square minus b square. Alpha square minus beta square. Now coming to in the last two terms. Common is alpha plus 3 beta is there. You have common alpha plus 3 beta. Remaining alpha minus beta plus alpha plus beta. Now here beta get cancelled. alpha minus 3 beta into 2 alpha plus alpha square 2 alpha square 9 beta square minus 10 beta square plus alpha plus 3 beta into, there also you have to cancel it, beta cancel 2 alpha equal to minus 21. From the first and last, what is the common you have? 2 alpha is there, 2 alpha common. That common 2 alpha. If you take common 2 alpha, remaining alpha minus 3 beta, remaining alpha minus 3 beta plus alpha plus 3 beta into 2 alpha square minus 10 beta square equal to minus 21. 3 beta cancel. Alpha plus alpha is 2 alpha. 2 alpha into 2 alpha, 4 alpha square. 4 alpha square plus 2 alpha square minus 10 beta square equal to minus 21. 6 alpha square plus 21 equal to 10 beta square. And let 10 beta square equal to 6 into alpha value, got it 1 by 2. 6 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 21. So 10 beta square equal to 6 by 4 plus 21. 3 by 2 plus 21. That is a 45 by 2. Beta square equal to 45 by 2. Then beta square equal to 45 by 2 into 10. 5 9s are 5 2s are, so 9 by 4 will get. That implies beta equal to 3 by 2. Beta value is 3 by 2. Okay? Therefore, roots are alpha minus beta, alpha minus 3 beta, comma alpha minus beta, comma alpha plus beta, comma alpha plus 3 beta. That is alpha minus 3 into 3 by 2. Alpha value 1 by 2. 3 into 3 by 2, comma 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2, comma 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2, comma 1 by 2 plus 3 into 3 by 2. Substitute alpha value, beta value in the roots. Again I am repeating. Substitute alpha value, beta value in the roots. 3 into 3, 9. 1 by 2 minus 9 by 2. Comma 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Comma 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Comma 1 by 2 plus 9 by 2. These denominators are same, so like fractions. So subtract the numerator. 1 minus 9 minus 8 by 2 minus 4. 1 minus 3 minus 2 by 2 minus 1. 1 plus 3 4 by 2 2. 1 plus 9 10 by 2 5. Those are our roots. That is the problem. Copy that problem. You have to copy it. Yes. Continuation. Concept you can see. Multiple root